Samsung doesn't waste any time when a new year hits. January 2025, boom, the Galaxy S25 lineup dropped. Regular, Plus, Ultra, the whole family. Then a few months later, May rolls around and Samsung goes, "Oh, you thought we were done." And out comes the slimmer Galaxy S25 Edge. And now everyone's got their eyes glued to what's next, the Galaxy S26 series. But here's the thing. With Google's Pixel 10 series shaking things up, Samsung can't just recycle the same playbook. The 2026 flagships need to prove they're still running the Android game. So what's the word on the S26 Ultra? Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. Design first. Don't expect a wild makeover. The Ultra has basically been wearing the same suit for years, and early leaks say Samsung's not switching tailors just yet. But there are some small tweaks worth paying attention to. Rumor has it the S26 Ultra might get thinner, somewhere in the 7 to 8 mm range compared to the 8.1 mm on the S25 Ultra. Doesn't sound like much on paper, but in your hand, it could feel like swapping from a chunky wallet to a slim card holder. Now here's the catch. A thinner frame could mean trimming back the S Pen. Some leakers say Samsung considered ditching the digitizer that handles pressure sensitivity and hover features. Basically, this pen would have been more like a stick than a magic wand. Luckily, those same reports claim Samsung wasn't happy with the results, so fingers crossed, the Fold's pen experience survives. On to the display. The S26 Ultra is rumored to pack a 6.89-inch screen with bezels so tiny, you'll need a magnifying glass to see them, about 1.2 mm. Samsung's also rolling out its latest anti-reflective glass, which means no more tilting your phone like a maniac just to dodge a glare. But here's where it gets spicy. New display tech is on the way. Samsung's cooking up a color filter on thin film encapsulation, which should make the panel thinner, brighter, and way more efficient. Add depolarizer tech to cut reflections even further, and you're looking at one of the sharpest, clearest screens ever slapped on a phone. And then there's Flex Magic Pixel. This might be the coolest part. It lets your phone control the viewing angle of every pixel. Translation? Privacy mode without those ugly screen protectors. Picture opening your banking app and suddenly the screen is only visible to you. That's the future Samsung wants you to live in. Now let's talk cameras. Samsung's keeping the 200 megapixel main sensor, but it's bumping the aperture to 1.4. That means 47% more light pouring in, which should equal cleaner, sharper low-light shots. They're also upgrading the telephoto lens from 10 megapixel to 12 megapixel, throwing in a laser autofocus sensor for faster focusing and supercharging the Pro Visual engine to boost image processing even further. The ultra-wide and 5x telephoto stay the same, while the selfie camera could get some new tricks, like 4K slow-mo at 120 Hz. Imagine filming yourself in slow motion and realizing you chew your food way too dramatically. Under the hood, it's about to get crazy. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is lined up, and this thing is already breaking records. We're talking 4 million points on Antutu. For context, today's best Androids are chilling around 2.6 million. That's not just a jump, it's a rocket launch. Add in the possible return to 16 gigs RAM option, and yeah, artificial intelligence features will have plenty of muscle to run wild. Storage? Same old 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte. Battery is still sitting at 5,000 mAh, no surprise there. But the real upgrade is charging. Buried in One UI 8.5's code are hints that Samsung's cranking charging speeds up to 60 watts. Finally, a proper bump from the 45 watts on the S25 Ultra. Not earth-shattering, but hey, faster is faster. So here's the bottom line. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the best phones of 2026, no question. Between the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, the thinner bezels, the boosted display tech, and the faster charging, it's stacked with upgrades. But let's be honest, if you're already rocking the S25 Ultra, this jump might feel more evolutionary than revolutionary. Unless Samsung's hiding a wild card, this is more about polishing the beast than reinventing it. Now I gotta know, which rumored feature excites you most? Is it the crazy new display tech, the brighter camera, or just the idea of charging a little faster while you grab a coffee? And bigger question, what do you think Samsung really needs to fix or add to make the S26 Ultra worth it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.